Justice Mohamed Warsame sentenced to death two convicts for the murder of Dr. James Ng'ang'a Muiruri, son to former Assistant Minister Patrick Muiruri. The ruling came as a surprise to many who thought that the death sentence had been scrapped from the Kenyan constitution. According to Karanja Kabage, a senior constitutional lawyer, Chapter 63 of the Laws of Kenya, Section 203, still recognize death penalty.
First, we need to make it clear that the Constitution did not change the fact that under our penal code, if somebody is found guilty of murder by a court, he shall be sentenced.
Section 203 of the Penal Code says any person who of malice aforethought causes death of another person by unlawful act or omission is guilty of murder. Section 204 says that any person convicted of murder shall be sentenced to death. The defense lawyer in the case, lawyer Philip Murgo, criticized Justice Warsame for challenging President Kibaki's decision to commute a death sentence into life imprisonment.
That is something he should do when the life and the liberty of an individual is not at stake.
I would assume that he went beyond his exercise of judicial pronouncement.
The defense lawyers still have an opportunity to challenge the ruling, and Kabage says they can even move further to the Supreme Court.
Well, right now, under the new constitution, if we fail in the Court of Appeal, we'll be able to go to the Supreme Court. And if we fail there, of course, the sentence is upheld. But I'm talking about the policy of the government today.
Since President Kibaki asked that the death penalties to be commuted to life imprisonment, there have been rare cases where people have been convicted to death. Emily Kimani, K24 News.